From trees to tissue, the fascinating journey of how toilet paper is made. Toilet paper is an essential household item used for hygiene purposes worldwide. Its production involves several steps, from sourcing raw materials to packaging the final product. The process primarily revolves around converting wood pulp into soft, absorbent sheets that are easy to use and biodegradable. Raw materials and pulping. The primary raw material for toilet paper is wood, mainly from softwood and hardwood trees. Softwood trees like pine provide long fibers that add strength, while hardwood trees like eucalyptus contribute short fibers that enhance softness. In addition to virgin wood pulp, many manufacturers use recycled paper to produce eco-friendly toilet paper. The manufacturing process begins with pulping, where wood chips are processed to extract cellulose fibers. This can be done using a mechanical or chemical method. In the mechanical method, the wood is ground into small fibers, whereas the chemical method involves cooking the wood chips in a solution to break them down into pure cellulose. If recycled paper is used, it undergoes a similar process where it is shredded, mixed with water, and cleaned to remove inks and contaminants. Bleaching and drying. Once the pulp is prepared, it is bleached to achieve a clean, white appearance. This is done using chlorine-free chemicals such as hydrogen peroxide to ensure environmental safety. The pulp is then mixed with water and spread onto a fine mesh screen to form thin sheets. These sheets pass through heated rollers to remove excess moisture, making them dry and lightweight. Rolling and cutting. The dried sheets are then pressed, embossed, and layered to enhance strength and softness. The continuous sheet of paper is wound onto large rolls, which are then cut into smaller, standard-sized rolls using automated machines. The paper can also be perforated for easy tearing. Packaging and distribution. Finally, the toilet paper rolls are wrapped in plastic or paper packaging and prepared for distribution. They are then shipped to stores and households ready for everyday use. The entire process is designed to be efficient, ensuring high-quality toilet paper while minimizing environmental impact through sustainable sourcing and recycling practices.